What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is an issue for a lot of guys, but spring is around the corner so we can't avoid it. How to rock white pants. Now, styling white pants can be a little bit tricky, but honestly, if you follow a few simple guidelines, it's not that menacing. So I'm going to show you guys today in our getting dressed format how I put an outfit together, what my thoughts are, and hopefully you take away a little something and can tackle that in the future much more easily. The pants that we're gonna do that with are from Zara. They have two slits across the knees, they're skinny fit, and they are actually somewhat short, so they're cropped. They hit my legs just around like mid-ankle. I have fairly long legs, so even if they're longer on you, you can cuff them up a little bit if you want to. Then I have a denim shirt on by Mango Man. So that to me is a very simple way of rocking white pants. Basically, it's just inverting a light wash pair of denim jeans with a white t-shirt or shirt, but the pants are the white and then the denim's on top. To make it a little bit more interesting, I added some color for one and some pattern. A Bordeaux bomber jacket with a floral pattern that is reversible. This is brand new in my closet. I'm actually really excited, especially this spring. It's from Talia Orange's new sportswear collection. I was at one of their events recently, but for the purposes of this video, we're gonna leave it with the floral print up top, and I chose to pair it with a pair of Bordeaux high top canvas Converse sneakers. They're just a couple shades off, but it works well for me and it has a nice sporty yet clean vibe. And then I added what you see right here, a little wife beater, a ripped white tank top from Uniqlo underneath, because white pants is kind of like a Miami vibe, so buttoning your shirt down and showing that off is actually a really cool look in my opinion. Last but not least, we're adding a few accessories. You're gonna see at first the shades that I recently picked up from Warby Parker. They have a silver frame and they have dark blue lenses, which plays off that denim shirt just a little bit. Then we have 5 rings actually, 3 of them from Serge Denim, a buddy of mine, and a couple are from a vintage store. Then we have my Piaget watch, and as you can see, I kept all of it silver, including the necklace that I'm also wearing right now, which is from Mian Sai, once again picking up the blue a little bit, and that is already the look. So before I move on and show you what this look looks like outside in motion, I want to talk a little bit more about how to rock white pants, because it's not that difficult. Like, it's really just don't go for an all white look. That can often be a little bit too much. But what I did here is, like I said before, I just started off with a simple combo of denim and white. It's a really safe way to look great. Honestly, even just a denim shirt is a really easy way to look well put together and look a little bit more stylish. And then introducing a little bit of color makes it a lot more interesting, and it's also really easy because you have a denim base and a white base. So really any color goes. Just try and keep it not too crazy. Don't use colors that don't really work together, like not, you know, like green shoes and a bright red or bright orange blazer, whatever. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, just have a little bit of fun, introduce a little bit of color, and I think it's really easy to get away with white pants in that way. So, as announced, we have a little clip for you guys outside, so I want you to check that out right now. That's it, a video filled with sunshine because spring is finally here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts, questions, comments down below in the comment section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to change that, because the seasons are changing. I literally can't, like, I'm still not really over the fact that they are. Which means we're gonna have a bunch more content for spring wardrobes and outfit ideas leading into the summer, so I hope you guys are on board for that. I will see you very soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper, guys.